Hello my dear students, this is your guide and mentor for organic chemistry, Mrs. Maimuna Bombewala. My dear students, we are going to talk about another new heteroaromatic ring today, that is pyridine. Pyridine is nothing but a 6-membered ring which contains a nitrogen and the structure is aromatic. We are going to start our discussion with pyridine. In this video, we are going to talk about the structure of pyridine, how it is similar to pyrrole and how it is different with respect to pyrrole. If we understand this, then we understand pyridine, right? So do watch my video on the structure of pyrrole first. So we will be talking about the structure and we will also be comparing how to write the resonating forms for pyrrole. See, remember we have written resonating forms for pyrrole, and in the similar fashion we wrote resonating forms for furan and thiophene. In this video, we are going to have a trick of how we are going to memorize or understand the resonating forms for pyridine. So let us start with the structure first and what is the basic difference between the structure of pyrrole and pyridine. My dear students, understanding structure is the most important thing because that makes you understand the reactivity, the basicity or the electrophilic aromatic substitution or any other reaction that any of your organic compound will show. So let us talk about the structure of pyridine and we of course will compare it with pyrrole, which is a 5-membered ring with nitrogen and aromaticity. This is a 6-membered ring with nitrogen and aromaticity. Always remember that if I write it for pyrrole, I write the lone pair of electrons inside the ring. And when I write it for pyridine, I write the lone pair of electrons outside the ring. ये ऐसे ही अनजाने में नहीं लिखा है, ये सोच समझ के लिखा गया है कि why it is lying outside the ring. Now let us see the structure so that you also will consciously write the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen outside the ring and the lone pair of electrons of this nitrogen inside the ring. So let us talk about pyridine and let us talk and let us understand this structure is as important as that of pyrrole because pyrrole, furan, thiophene एक, राइट? हमने देखा प्रीवियस वीडियोस में पायरोल पढ़ने के बाद थायोफीन और फ्यूरन पढ़ना आसान, वैसे pyridine पढ़ने के बाद आगे के कंपाउंड्स will become easier to all of us. This will form a base to our understanding for pyrimidine, imidazole and such other molecules, right? So let us discuss pyridine, which is a 6-membered ring containing 1 nitrogen and the ring is aromatic, right? We also know that there is a ring called as piperidine, which is a 6-membered ring containing 1 nitrogen, but it does not contain aromaticity. So we are right now not talking about piperidine. Instead, we are keeping our discussion towards pyridine. So let us talk about pyridine. Pyridine is nothing but, if I discuss the structure, it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 5 carbons. There is 1 nitrogen and total number of hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 hydrogens. Now remember we did the same thing when we were talking about pyrrole. We said that it contains 1 nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydrogens and 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. The only difference is the number of carbons, right? So this is one difference. Now when I say that it contains 5 carbons, 1 nitrogen and 5 hydrogen, remember my dear students, I say that whenever I see double bonds, they show sp2 hybridization. That means the bond in between this carbon and this carbon or any other carbon that you look at, they are nothing but sp2 overlap, and the bond between each carbon and say for example hydrogen is nothing but sp2s overlap. This is all that whatever we have discussed in pyrrole. So all the carbon-carbon bonds are sp2 overlap and the carbon hydrogen bond is sp2s overlap. This also we know and this also we understand. So this is nothing new in comparison to pyrrole. Now what is new is the behavior of nitrogen. right? The nitrogen in pyrrole shows sp2 hybridization. Also the nitrogen in pyridine shows sp2. Now how this sp2 occurs, just understand. See, let us write the electronic configuration once again so that I can make it very clear to you. See, if I write as 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz, or I am writing the same thing here, 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py and 2pz. My dear students, remember this, that when we were talking about pyrrole, we said that it is 1 and this is another 1. That means we said that this is your nitrogen, for example. This is sp2 hybridized orbital which will bond to sp2 of another carbon. sp2 which will bond to sp2 of another carbon. That means they are containing 1. You know, when they undergo sp2 hybridization in that case. And there is a third sp2 hybridized orbital which is containing only 1 electron and is binding to hydrogen. Whereas the pz orbital, I should say the pz orbital is containing 2 electrons, and that is why we are showing it inside the ring, and we say that these 2 electrons plus pz orbital of each carbon, you know, they all together become 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and that makes pyrrole aromatic. Right? Now if I want to understand the same thing for nitrogen of pyridine, the same sp2 hybridization in a different way. See, it becomes 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So when this undergoes hybridization, it becomes, see, 1 sp2 hybridized orbital with 2 electrons, 1 sp2 hybridized with 1 electron and 1 sp2 with 1 electron, and a pz orbital also with 1 electron. Here the pz orbital in pyrrole is containing 2 electrons, and that is why these 2 electrons were participating in the resonance. Whereas in pyridine, see, this is for example my nitrogen. So sp2 hybridized containing 1 electron will form a bond with 1 carbon. sp2 hybridized orbital with 1 electron will form a bond with another carbon. This picture I am talking about, so this one. And the third sp2 hybridized orbital is containing a pair of electron which is not bonding to anything like hydrogen or anything else. See, it is lying outside the ring. This is lying outside the ring. Whereas the pz orbital is only containing a single electron. See, have a look at this structure of pyridine, wherein the pz orbital is containing a single electron. Each carbon pz orbital is also containing a single electron. So, as per Huckel rule of aromaticity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are the number of pi electrons, and Huckel rule says that whoever obeys this rule, 4n plus 2 is equals to number of pi electrons. That structure is aromatic. Pyrrole is also aromatic because these pair of electrons are inside the same 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. That makes it aromatic. Here the pair of electron is lying outside the ring. They are not lying inside the ring. Instead, the nitrogen of pyridine, the pz orbital only contains 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And that makes the structure of pyridine also aromatic. The trick is that sp2 hybridization occurs in different patterns. Both of them are showing sp2. Both of them are showing triangular geometry. बस खेल ये है कि pyridine में sp2 में pair of electron है, और pyrrole में the pz orbital is containing the lone pair of electron. This pz orbital is containing the lone pair of electron. So this is the structure of pyrrole in comparison to pyridine or vice versa. So we have talked about the structure of pyridine. Let us quickly take a retake of the structure of whatever we have told about the structure of pyridine, right? So that our understanding is reinforced about the structure, and we will also reinforce the same concept with the resonating forms of pyridine. Have a look at the structure here. See, this is my pyridine, which contains 5 carbons, it contains 5 hydrogens, right? And it contains aromaticity, and the lone pair of electrons are lying outside the ring. So if I want to write the structure, it is nothing but a structure containing 5 carbons, 1 nitrogen and 5 hydrogens. All the carbon-carbon bonds are showing sp2-sp2 overlap. All the carbon-hydrogen bonds are showing sp2s overlap. Even the carbon-nitrogen bond is showing sp2-sp2. And the sp2 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen, one is attached to one carbon, another with one carbon, and the third contains the lone pair of electron which is lying outside the ring. And it is not participating in resonance because the pz orbital of nitrogen contains one electron. Similarly, the pz orbitals of each of these carbons contain one electron each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 together makes it, these are the number of pi electrons that are whirling on the pyridine. These are the number of pi electrons that are whirling on the pyridine, and that makes the structure aromatic. And the most important thing that you should know, that this lone pair is not participating in resonance. See, let us see the resonating forms and make ourselves more clear with this fundamental that yes, the lone pair of electrons do not flow in pyridine. So my dear students, in my next video, we will be talking about the resonating forms for pyridine. And you should know that understanding the structure and the resonating forms will help you understand all the properties or all the reactivities of pyridine. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.